Hello, everybody. Talking Frey Effect again, like I usually am. I wanted to discuss how this pertains to your marriage and your personal relationships, perhaps with a love interest or family. Um, because the Frey Effect and neuro weapons so easily cause irritability, I believe, and of course, this is all based on my experience of having an ever worsening series of health problems over the last few years and having all of those health problems dissolved away almost overnight by my use of the countermeasure by Case Electronics. I can't say enough good things about it. The t-shirts in the back are advertising. I wear them all over the place to try to bring awareness to this. So when I speak about this, it's from personal experience. And I experienced and saw is not the right word. I experienced, like I said, almost an overnight decrease in a number of more minor, irritability and sleep problems to much more extreme problems. I mean, I was having bizarre arrhythmias, heart palpitations, and things like that. I mean, to the point I wasn't even allowed to drink coffee. I'd gone to the doctor. Of course, they never found anything wrong with me, which is a weird thing. I went for a stress test, and they said I was one of the healthiest, as healthy as you could be for your age. I was 40 years old at the time. Put you on a treadmill. They hook you up to everything. It took a long time for my heart rate to come up to the necessary rate, which means that I'm in good conditioning. They saw nothing, no heart disease, no problems. This was, of course, before I really started using the countermeasure. I hadn't yet found it yet. But I can say that you're looking at basically one of the healthiest guys you could find at my age, according to all the doctors. I'm going through all the tests, several doctors, hearing tests for the clicking and ringing in my ears. Um, you name it, full blood tests, neurologist, everything. MRI for my brain, nothing. Totally healthy. And you're going to start to see more of this too. We're seeing it in the news all of a sudden. Like, why did this perfectly healthy person just drop dead? It doesn't make any sense uh, because it was from neuroweapons or the Frey effect. And as I've said in the past, I can tell you the what and the how. It is the Frey effect. It works by it is weapon is it's the radio waves in interaction with your brain. Alan Frey determined all this in the 60s. The U.S. Army weaponized it in 2006. So the what and the how, I don't know if there's a why or a who. But the more time goes on, I am very suspect that this is not incidental exposure. And I can tell you that literally overnight, all of those health problems washed away immediately. I can now live totally normally. I'm as active as I've ever been. I go running. I used to get tired and hate doing it. I love it now. I can run incredibly long distances at 40, now 41 years old. I lift all the time. My diet is outstanding. I can drink as much coffee as I want. No arrhythmia, no palpitations, nothing. Literally overnight, fixed by Case Electronics. So getting a little off the subject here, but I want to. I hadn't really explained in all the videos I'm making that this is very personal to me, and I'm not just pulling this out of nowhere. I didn't read a news article. This is my life, and this is what I experienced. I am happier, healthier, stronger, faster than I've literally ever been at 40 years old, and that's not supposed to way. That's not the way it's supposed to work. So the reason I'm making these videos and why I'm so comfortable tying it into marriage and personal relationships is because of irritability. And I was very irritable. That was one of the things. I was very, not short fused, maybe not the best way to put it, but just kind of, I just didn't feel very good. And that's what happens when electromagnetic radiation is sickening you. And the divorce rate in this country is higher than it's ever been at 50%. The amount of people living, it's called the single majority. More people are single than married for the first time ever. And I feel very comfortable suggesting that the Frey effect has something to do with it. So for the purpose of this video, let's leave out the possibility of if, of who. It's irrelevant. You don't need to know a who. We'll figure that out over time. What you need to know is that the Frey effect is affecting your life. It is making you more irritable. It's making you short fused. It's making you less likely to want to work through things with your wife or your partner or your friends or your family. Everyone in America needs to be using this countermeasure from Case Electronics. And really what it is binaural beats. And we know that now. Binaural beats interact with the brain. They help us get back into calm state of mind and mood. They help us in lots of different ways. Even off-the-shelf binaural beats programs work very, very well. Well, this one is the best one out there. I can't say enough good things about it. You're going to see links in the description box. You can go to anti-tinnitusv2k.com. Of course, it does. First thing it's going to knock out is ringing in your ears if you have that, but it protects you from the Frey effect and removes all of those symptoms from your life. And I believe that it will save your marriage, your relationships with your friends or family or your partner. It will benefit every single person that uses it. And I believe that we can get the divorce rate back down. We can fix the American family, and we can all be happier and healthier uh, because of it. So, anti-tinnitusv2k.com, Case Electronics. Thank you for watching.